Hi, thanks for joining me today. This is Mike with dezinesbyem, and today I'm here to announce the winner from the Craft Room Helpers video hop that we had last week. The winner will receive my handmade card that I made during that video. I received over 140 comments, so thank you. I appreciate all of them. One of the common themes that I did see is that if you were not located in the United States, you're kind of disappointed, and I understand that, and I apologize. So I wanted to ask you, what alternate prizes do you think would be fair going forward if I have a contest so that everybody can participate? Whether maybe it's a gift certificate to a digital online company or something like that. Leave me some feedback in the comments below and let me know some alternatives, because I really would like everybody to be able to participate. All right, so without further ado, I am going to go ahead and switch you over to the computer and we will draw the winner. All right, so let's hit the start button and let us find a winner. So the winner is Mo Creations. Congratulations to Mo Creations. Please make sure you check out and send me an email. My contact information is in the description box below. Send me an email and I will need your full name and mailing address so that I can get this out to you. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Again, I really appreciate everything, the comments and the feedback and the subscribers. On your screen now is a link to the video where I made this card and I showed my crafting tool, which is my Cricut. And then there's also a video, if you've already seen the video from last week, a YouTube recommended. And until next time, bye.